spend few hours with me. It's 7 o'clock kusekhalami ngivula umgwaco because imodi yami uma ihamba la iyashayisa. I had no choice but to fix for myself. Ngabe sengibamba ngehenekele yashiyang baby efridge ngadlasa ngwane mabhontshisi uma ngicatha lapho ngayowasha ibhavu lami because sinemalanga lamaningi singanawo mandi then ibhavu bese lingcolile then ngafaka iplastic lapha. Don't ask me why. If you know, you know, please. Ishawa yami la guys ningangihleki sengigezile la ngimuhle. I was ready to work. Ngathuma umntwana impuphu lapha emandiyeni ngangena la spa because I was here to buy indwangu because kufanele bangendele crop top for my event Saturday. Ngabe sengithenga nekudla ngiyasnacka uma suka lapho sandlula la garage safaka ipetrol because tomorrow I'm going to court. So I don't want to be late. I know myself. I don't want to be late. Ngafaka ipetrol nyana ngitala enkomazi garage because uma ngisuka ekhaya ngifuna kuvele ngishaye straight ngiye la ngiyakhona then ngahlangana nebantu bami guys. I'm nothing without these kids because they are the one who are supporting my content. So like yo, if they see me they make sure they are running guys. I have asked permission from them guti should I post them. So ngafika la bangilungisela khona le program for Saturday event ngifuna bangendele nje siqhebhezane lesihle then okuhle bese ka connectile obviously nangisokuthamka nebangani bakhe okuhle. It's a lovely chat guys. Don't forget to apply for a loan. It's a same day loan. It's a boost loan. Love you guys. Bye.